Tozalo gogo nomkhulu. I normally hear people but Usbanibani will never do that to me. I'm not saying Guti we need to have trust issues. I'm not encouraging trust issues. I'm encouraging being realistic. We need to learn to be realistic. Semhlabeni la. Leave a space for disappointment. People who are divorcing or who have divorced, people who are separating, it's people who trusted so much, and I don't blame them. They invested so much, they can't even believe themselves ukuthi eventually they've separated or they're divorcing. Others, they end up killing themselves and killing partners, not because of they wanted to do that, but because they didn't leave the room for disappointment. Semhlabeni la. We need to do things sicabangele ukuthi yes kumnandi, yes things are fine, because we have this tendency of thinking ukuthi our enemies are in Dubai. Yay, your enemy mhlambi la eThekwini la uhlala khona, not in Dubai, in Durban, just near you. No one will travel distances and not even knowing you and come bazokuthakatha. That's why this festive season, what is going to happen, uzodliswa ngoba uyaphapha. Uzodliswa, and you're going to collect. There's some of us that are going to be traveling from one home to another, boasting, ngisawubona ama family members. What family members? Why suddenly you're waking and you have an effort to go around visiting family members who don't care? This December, you'll see why are so many people losing their jobs just in the beginning of the year, because they've collected all the junk in December during festive season. Because others, they get drunk to such an extent that they don't even see what is it that they're doing. Don't be too chacharak this festive season. Umhlaba lo. It's tough out there. So you think we are stupid? Thina gogo bathini mbathe siyasebenza thina. Napa oThwasa Nzimande sinabo la emakhosini bajuluke abanye amaphepha. Baya phansi phezulu. Ulambile ngisho ukulamba ngithi hayi iThwasa likaze nikwe isikhathi lokuthi fanele ukuthi hamba uyodla ke eThwasa ususuthi wena mama ngco nkosi kodwa abantu angekubona lokho. So guys, it's up to us ukuthi do we use this festive season to rewind, to know what is the action plan for next year. If you want a video about the action plan, let me know. It's up to you. You know this is a family channel.